In this video, we're going to take a look at the Kreg 520 Pro Pocket Hole Jig Starter Kit. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got in this kit. We'll remove the cover. Okay, so we've got some handy instructions and some sort of leaflet for other products that Kreg do. We've got the main instruction booklet. Then inside here we've got a great box of assorted pocket hole screws, all different sizes. It's great. We've got more pocket hole screws and even more pocket hole screws, so keep you going quite a while. We've got our stop for the drill bit, which is just to act as a depth stop. We've got an handy speed clamp. These are amazing. Got a few of these in the weight shop. They are really good, these. And I've had some of them in the weight shop for years, so they're really well built. So we've got one of those in the kit. We've got a screwdriver bit, which is the square tip that fits the pocket hole screws. Pocket hole drill bit in a handy paper sleeve. That's the drill bit. It's got the most popular thicknesses on here. It's got 13mm, 19mm and 38mm marked on the bit, which is really handy because when you come to fit the depth stop, you can see exactly where to set it for the different thicknesses, which is a simple thing, but it's really handy, that is. So just put that over there. And then we've got our main pocket hole jig. So I'll just move the box out of the way for a minute. Okay, so let's take a look at the jig. On this side of the jig here, you've got 13mm, 19mm and 38mm thicknesses. So all you do to change this is you just squeeze these two grey buttons in each side, and then you can just slide it up to set it to whatever thickness you want. It's got a quick pump action handle, so there's no messing about sort of spannering things out or anything. Once you're done with it, you can just pull this lever and it automatically resets. The handle, as you can see, is rotatable, which is really handy. If you're up against a wall or something, you can twist that out of the way. You've got an handy stop button here, which acts as a stop so that you can't pump it, so it just saves you moving it while you're working on it. The beauty of this jig, I think, the number one beauty, is that you can take it out on site with you, and also if you're doing a job on a sheet material and it's quite a big piece, you used to have to sort of carry a piece across to the bench and balance it on the bench while you did the pocket holes. With this, it's so easy. You just carry it over, you sit it on your sheet material, pump it, drill your pocket holes, and that's it. You've not got to mess about carrying your sheet about the weight shop, which is, it's a massive bonus, that is. So I'm going to get the drill set up now and get some scraps of wood, and I'll show you how to do a pocket hole. Okay, it's time to install our stop on our drill bit now. So this is brilliant. This little gauge they give you in the kit. It's got the Allen key on here, so you can tighten the stop up on the drill bit. But it's also got, I don't know if you can see that, it's probably hard to see, but you've got 13, 19 and 38mm markings on this. And all you have to do is just put that on your wood like that, and that drops into the 19mm section, which means I need to set the drill bit on 19mm, of course. So I take the stop on the drill bit and I just slide it down, and there's a hole there, which you look through the hole and you can see 19mm inside the hole. So I just set it to 19mm like that, and then I'm just going to nip that Allen screw up. Like that, and then that's ready to go in the drill. So I'll put that in the drill now. Okay, and now it's time to fit our piece of wood into our jig. So we've got it set on 19mm, so it's set on the right thickness here on the side, so I don't have to move that at the moment. So I put our wood in here. I'm just going to do one pocket hole just to demonstrate, but then I just pump the handle until the wood's tight. That's it, it's tight, it can't drop out. Then I get my pocket hole drill, and I just simply drill down into the pocket hole holes, release the quick release, and there's our pocket hole drilled. So as all good pocket holers know, the pocket hole should not break through here, and because I've got that handy little stop on the drill bit there, that's perfect. It's not broke through, so we're not going to get any obstruction there when we try and put the two pieces together. So that's perfect. So the set on there is really handy. You used to have to do that by hand and just trial and error. We don't have to now with this amazing product. Right, so that's that drill. So we'll just put our jig there for a minute. So we've got the pocket hole, we put it up to the other piece. Then we're going to use this speed clamp that they give you in the kit. And what you do is just use this speed clamp just to simply bridge across the joint, and that keeps it nice and flush. So then you take a pocket hole screw, which is the pan head square drive supplied in the kit again. So you put that into your hole, then you use your square drive on your drill, and you just simply screw the two together. Just like that. Release your speed clamp, and that's it. A really strong joint, no glue, just one screw holding that joint together, and that's the beauty of pocket holes. So if you like the look of this product and you want to get one for yourself, and I don't blame you, I put a link down in the description to Tool Store UK, where you can purchase this little beauty, and don't forget to tell them where you saw it. So hope you've enjoyed that. Amazing Mix Woodwork Wonders product, superb. Highly recommend Kreg products. They're just really versatile, good quality, long lasting, and very reasonable. So I'll speak to you soon, and keep woodworking.